The 2014 Newmar Ventana 4037 is the kind of diesel pusher that instantly feels different the moment you walk up to it. Covered storage since day one, 50,000 miles, and finished in Newmar's Island full-body paint under the premium masterpiece finish, this coach has clearly been cared for to an exceptional standard. From the diamond shield-protected front cap to the polished exterior and frameless windows, everything about this Ventana reflects quality and attention to detail. As you step inside, the Chateaux decor and Manhattan maple glazed cabinetry immediately set the tone. The craftsmanship throughout the coach feels residential, warm, and timeless. Full porcelain tile flooring runs throughout the interior, including the bedroom, while all-new upholstery gives the entire coach a refreshed and updated presentation. Moving into the living area, this Ventana offers a spacious and inviting setup with FlexSteel Ultralux leather recliners, a fold-and-tumble sofa, Sony entertainment systems, surround sound with subwoofer, and multiple LED televisions throughout the coach. Whether you're hosting friends at the campground or settling in for a quiet evening, the atmosphere feels high-end and residential. The kitchen continues the all-electric luxury theme with an induction cooktop, residential Maytag refrigerator, convection microwave, and beautiful solid-surface countertops surrounded by handcrafted cabinetry. This coach was ordered with the all-electric package, meaning no propane dependency for cooking or refrigeration. You also have a residential whirlpool stacked washer and dryer, making this an ideal setup for extended travel or full-time living. In the rear of the coach, the master bedroom features a king-size Sleep Number Premier air mattress, overhead cabinetry, large wardrobe storage, and a built-in safe. The master bath in this Ventana carries the same residential feel you experience throughout the rest of the coach. You'll find a spacious shower with central acrylic walls and a glass enclosure, generous vanity space, excellent storage, and high-end finishes throughout. Combined with the porcelain tile flooring, hydronic heated comfort, and the large rear wardrobe area just outside the bath, this space feels far more like a luxury home than a traditional motorhome bathroom. Outside, the features continue with pass-through storage trays, power baggage door locks, keyless entry, retractable 50-foot power cord reel, water hose reel, slide toppers, a premium Dometic awning package, and even a 40-inch Sony exterior entertainment center built into the sidewall. For those looking to travel immediately, the Roadmaster Falcon tow bar and Air Force One braking system are already installed and ready for your towed vehicle. This is a beautifully maintained, turnkey Newmar diesel pusher with premium upgrades, timeless craftsmanship, and the kind of ownership history buyers hope to find. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome. Click the link in the description below.